Hello everyone, and welcome to Machine Learning, AI and Large Language Model tutorials. In this tutorial, we explain how to install Ollama and Large Language Models by using Windows Subsystem for Linux or WSL. For those of you who are not familiar with WSL, WSL enables you to run a Linux Ubuntu distribution on a Windows operating system. And after you install WSL, you will simply open a command prompt and you would be able to run a Linux Ubuntu distribution. And here's a small demonstration. You can see that I'm on a Windows machine, and over here I can type, for example, this command to see the type of Linux Ubuntu distribution I'm running. Here it is. And then you can execute any of the Linux Ubuntu commands. You can install programs, you can do all sorts of things. To summarize, WSL enables you to experiment with Linux Ubuntu applications and development environment without actually installing Linux Ubuntu. This is especially important for people interested in machine learning and large language models, since it's easier to install and run machine learning applications on Linux Ubuntu. And the reason for that is that most of the machine learning developers use Linux Ubuntu for developing machine learning applications. In this tutorial, we will install Ollama and several AI models on WSL and we will test them. It's very easy to install Windows Subsystem for Linux on Ubuntu. And let's start with installation. The WSL installation instructions on a Windows machine are given on this official Microsoft website. You don't need to read the complete web page. Namely, the installation is super simple. You just need to open a PowerShell or Windows command prompt in administrator mode, and you need to execute this command. Simple as that. And let me show you that. So, click here, search for command prompt. Then do the right click and click Run as Administrator. And then over here, you just need to execute this command. I'm not going to execute this command since WSL is already installed on my system. However, if you run this command, you will see the progress of installing Linux Ubuntu. Namely, you will install a Linux Ubuntu version that comes with the current version of WSL, and usually it's Ubuntu 24.04, which is the newest version of Linux Ubuntu. After Ubuntu is installed, you will be asked to set the username and password, and that's basically it. After that, you will be able to run Linux Ubuntu. However, before actually being able to run Linux Ubuntu, you will be asked to restart your system. So I'm going to continue under the assumption that you follow this very simple procedure, and we will start from there. Next, after restarting the system, you need to run Linux Ubuntu through WSL. To do that, click here, then search for Ubuntu, and click here. And here it is. Let's verify that Ubuntu works. To do that, type lsb underscore release -a. And over here, you should see your Ubuntu version. Then you should also type this command to see that you can actually run commands in Linux Ubuntu. Good. Now, the next step is to install Ollama. Now, over here, a lot of users will directly go to Ollama website, they will click on download, select Linux, generate this command, then execute this command, and then when you try to run the model, the model will not work, or the download process will not work. What's the reason? Well, the main reason is if you have already installed Ollama on the Windows system, then Ollama will not work in WSL. So the first step is to exit Ollama. And to show you why this is the case, namely, Ollama is running in the background, and you can confirm by typing this address in your web browser. Namely, if I type it over here, you will see this message, Ollama is running. And you cannot have on this local host two sessions of Ollama running at the same time. You either have a Windows session or you have a Linux Ubuntu session. So let's do the following. Let's first click here, click on this cute icon of Ollama, right click and click on quit Ollama, and then do the same thing to make sure that Ollama is not running in the background, and you should see this page. This means that Ollama is not running on the background, and you can continue with WSL installation. So let's close this and let's continue. Now, the one thing that you need to do is to install curl. That is, before installing Ollama, you need to execute this command. First of all, run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to upgrade your Linux Ubuntu distribution, and this might take some time if you didn't run this command for a while, so be patient. Then after running this command, you need to install curl. Curl is a tool that will enable you to install Ollama, and let's verify the curl version. Here it is. If you get this response, this means that curl is properly installed. Okay, now the next step is actually to go to the Ollama website. So let's do that. Here it is. And over here, let me just go to the base website to show you. So once you go to the Ollama website, you click on download, click on Linux, and then click over here. Then go to WSL and click this, and this should install Ollama. And press enter. Now, here's one thing. Here sometimes on some computers you would have to do an additional step. Namely, you need to make sure that this port over here is opened. And to do that, you need to run this command, then this command, and then you need to verify that Ollama is running after you install it. That is, if during the installation or if during model downloading Ollama cannot start, or you got some message, then you need to run this command and this command. This will allow the port, as you can see over here. Currently the port is open, and this is very important. Now again, if it's not open, do this, and then go back and then run again this command. Okay, so let's verify that Ollama is running. So let's click here, let's go here, paste here, and let's see. And you can see Ollama is running. However, Ollama is now running from our WSL installation, and this is very important to keep in mind. The next step, of course, is to download the model. So to download the model, you need to go back to the Ollama website and search for the model that you would like to install. Let's do, for example, Llama 3.2. Okay, so let's click here. These are very small models that are easy to download and run. So let's start with the 3B model. Click here, then go to command prompt, or actually not command prompt. You should be very careful. You're going to the Linux Ubuntu distribution, and here type this instead of run, change this to pull in order to pull the model. So let's press enter, and this command will actually download the model. Okay, so while this model is downloading, there are several important things to keep in mind. Note over here that you are running everything in a virtual machine environment, and there might be still some issues running other models. But what is very interesting is that Ollama that's being started from this terminal over here can be seen on this port in the web browser, which is super nice and super interesting. So you can actually go from the Windows browser, and you can see Ollama, as well as the applications you write. For example, you can write applications over here, and then you can run them from here, which is super interesting. Okay, so here it is. So let's verify that the model exists. Here it is, and let's finally run the model and then specify the model name. Here it is, and bang. Let's see who you are. Let's ask. Okay, and we can see the response. Let's, for example, try to solve a quadratic equation, x squared plus 2x plus 20 is equal to 0. And let's see. And here it is. Works like a charm. Good. Let's exit this model by pressing Ctrl D. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that you like this video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe buttons and see you in the next video tutorial.